Hello guys, today I'm about to show you how to create a Gmail account without phone number in 2021. You don't need any verification code or phone number to get this done, and you can do this on your mobile phone or laptop. So before we start, please subscribe to this channel if you're new here and make sure you like this video. So first of all, to create your Gmail account, open your browser and search Google Sign Up. Search Google Sign Up and scroll down and click create your Google account, and this is where you click create your Google account, and here you need to fill in your information correctly in this box. So first you need to put in your first name and your last name, your username that you're using, and a strong password. So let me fill this information real quick. So let me just use Joel Amos as 202199@gmail.com, and you can put whatever Gmail you like if only it's available. So here you need to put a strong password and you need to confirm it. So I've already typed in my password. Let me confirm it. So guys, after that you need to click next. Click next and wait for it to load. So here guys, so this is the place you need to put in your phone number or email address, but you can skip, it's written optional, so you can skip this part for now. That means you can skip it without putting your email address or your phone number. So you need to input your date of birth and select your gender. Are you a male or female? You need to select. So the last step is to click next. After clicking next, wait for it to load and scroll down and press I agree. After reading the terms and conditions of Gmail, Google, and guys, we are done. As you can see, your Gmail account is set up and you are ready to start receiving mails from your friends and well wishers. So guys, if you have learned how to open the Gmail account, how to create your Gmail account without phone number, I just want you to like this video, subscribe.